How to turn off automatically driver updates on your Windows 11. So I will show you the perfect method. So let me start with the video. Okay. So first we need to come to this search bar and search for system properties. Okay. So here you can see this option view advanced system setting. Just click on it. Now this window will be open. Now we have some tabs here, so we need to go in that hardware tabs to in order to disable the driver updates. So now we need to come this option device installation settings, and here you can see this small pop-up tab. So here it's saying, do you want to automatically download manufacturer app for your device? So here we have two options, yes or no. Manufacturer apps means your motherboard, your PC motherboard manufacturer, they basically manufacture motherboard with driver. They have drivers on their website. Okay, so you need to just click on no and just hit the save changes. Okay, once you save changes, it will be apply, and your driver will be not automatically driver. Okay, until you go to the manufacturer website and download from there. If you want to turn on again, come here again and just turn on. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.